Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the identity verification pending on Coinbase in 2026. Is your Coinbase verification stuck on pending? Here's what it means and what you can do about it. Now before we start, the Coinbase, you can access the Coinbase app or the Coinbase website just by going to your web browser and typing in Coinbase. Then you're going to click on the coinbase.com website, or you can even access it with your mobile device just by downloading the Coinbase app in your App Store or Play Store, depending on which device you're using. Once you do that, you're going to click on sign in or sign up, depending on whether you have an account in Coinbase or not. And after that, to fix this issue of identity verification pending, the first thing you want to do is to understand the waiting time. Now, verification can take anywhere from a few minutes to several days, especially during high traffic periods. So you have to just wait for that period. And the second thing you want to do is to check for emails for updates. Look for emails from Coinbase requesting additional documents or clarifications. You can do that by going to the Gmail and check your inbox. And if you don't see, make sure to check the spam folder to see if there's emails there. Now after that, you're gonna log in and check the status. You're gonna go to coinbase.com and make sure you sign in with your account. And after that, you're gonna go to the settings and then you're gonna click on identity verification. And here you're gonna see this right here. These sections about your personal infos, etc., to see if actions are required. Also avoid multiple submissions. Submitting your documents repeatedly can reset the review process, so wait before re-uploading. And also ensure clear documents. If prompted to resubmit, upload clearer photos and double check personal details. And if it's pending for more than several business days, open a support ticket by contacting the support if delayed too long. Now, verification delays often happen during market volatility and when many users are signing up. And that's it. That's how you handle identity verification pending on Coinbase in 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.